Hello, this is Nate from Test Genius Online Testing Technical Support Team. This video will help you find an alternative web browser if the only one you have is Internet Explorer. Unfortunately, Microsoft is no longer updating Internet Explorer, and because of this, there are many advanced functions within our tests that the Internet Explorer cannot support. As such, you will need to take the test on either Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or Firefox. If you're unsure what browser you are using to test, you can look at your taskbar and see what browser you are using. If it is an E with a golden ring around it, that means you are in Internet Explorer. If the icon is a pinwheel with 4 different colors, you're using Google Chrome. If the icon is a fox with either blue or purple circle in the middle, you're using Firefox. If the icon is a dark blue E, you're using Microsoft Edge. If you don't have any of the recommended browsers, you can download them by searching for them at www.google.com. The web browser's website will provide you with the installer and the installation instructions. This is Nate, signing off.